Okay guys, we come to pick Joshua from school. Me and Kingsley and Joshua. We come to pick them. Look at Joshua here. Kingsley, say ciao.
Ciao.
Say hi.
Hi.
Joshua, say ciao.
Ciao.
Say ciao.
Ciao.
Hi.
Hi.
Kingsley, come this side. Kingsley did not go to school today because of he's not too feeling fine. But our boss is coming. Guys, if I come down from the bus, I'm going to talk to you guys, okay?
3 days later.
Hello my people, how are you doing? If this is your first time coming across my video, please subscribe, like, share, okay? So guys, today is Thursday. Yeah, so I'm cooking okra and obolo soup. I love that soup so much, but I don't like eating obolo like that. But I like to use okra, mix it together. So I'm cooking my soup. So I'm done cooking though. So I'm done cooking. I'm going to turn it, put it in container. So I'm going to make pounded yam. So I'm going to make pounded yam. This is my okra and the obolo soup. Leave it. So that is it. I'm done cooking though. So happy Thursday to you all.
Oh my God.
Can see Kingsley. Kingsley did not go to school today because of Kingsley have cough. So that is it. He have cough and small fever on Saturday. So Joshua live there. So to meet his doctor yesterday, Wednesday. The doctor give us appointment on Wednesday. So they do blood test. So before they give us some drugs, some medicine. But Kingsley have been using it. Kingsley have been using it since yesterday. Because we started yesterday, Wednesday. So and Joshua, his cough started yesterday night. The cough was serious. You injure? Where? So Kingsley, Vianney, come and say ciao.
Ciao.
Look at Kingsley, my fine boy.
Ciao.
This is Joshua,
Joshua.
my little bobo,
Baba.
my fine bobo.
Baba.
So guys, I want to turn my soup. The thing is dark, I don't know why. Because the weather is not good today. Yeah, it's raining. So the rain is too much. That is it. So I'm going to turn my soup. Then I will make pounded yam for us to eat. Because very soon my husband is going to come back. My husband have some job he's doing. Yeah, some clothes. I'm going to show you guys what my husband do at home. Sometimes my husband do this work. Sometimes we go to work. That is it. Live there. Oh my goodness. So guys, this is the clothes my husband is doing. Although this clothes, my husband did not sew it. This clothes, they sew it from Nigeria, but the clothes is not good for them. Like, I don't know how to say it. I don't know if the clothes tear or what. I don't know. Maybe the cloth is big, so my husband just do it for them. So that is it. And they still have some here. My husband was doing. Look at. There are many here. Look at them.
And I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. day. I'm smiling, holding on to your tight.
Yes, you can bring my phone. Look at this soup. So this one is the one we are going to eat. This one's freezer. Guys, this is my pounded yam. Okay, I pour it inside here.
When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day.
If I like to cook, okay.
Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you love.
Guys, my food is ready. I'm going to eat. It's my pounded yam, and this is the soup I cooked today. Okra and obola soup. So guys, we are done eating. So we are done eating our afternoon food. I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm going to end this video here. So see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe if this is your first time coming across my video. Please subscribe. Guys, can you hear this children's voice? Can you guys hear? Hey, okay guys, I want to make them to sleep, so that I will edit videos that I have and upload. Okay, so I want to make them sleep, so when they wake up, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.